Yeah, good morning, children. I hope you had understood the chapter nicely, done the question answers in your notebook, spellings and hard words. It will take time to do, but keep doing regularly. Do a bit of it every day. Fine. Today we are going to start with the back exercises. So, first one on page 52. Page 53 is dialogues, completing the dialogues. Like we have been given here, 1. John, may I come in? What will Mary say? In response to this, may I come in? Mary will say, shh, yes, do. John says, what's the matter? Mary will say, Father is sleeping, so please come in quietly. When somebody is sleeping or was praying or doing some work, we should not shout. We should talk soft. We should keep quiet, not talk extra unnecessarily. Situation 2. In a vegetable shop, what happens? Mrs. Rao, may I have some of those red tomatoes? Vendor means shopkeeper will say, how many, madam? Mrs. Rao will say, half a kilo. But please do not give me any overripe ones because they go rot. They become rot quickly. So the vendor will say, he'll pack the tomatoes and he'll give her saying, here you are. 20 rupees please. Only when you give the things, then you can ask for money. Says, here you are. 20 rupees please. These are different situations given here so that you learn how to make a conversation, how to talk. See, people using please so often. Sorry, thank you. Should be very regularly, whenever needed, you must not hesitate to use such words. In a toy shop, Anil goes and says, please give me a robot. Shopkeeper, would you like a small robot or a big one? Anil will say, I would like a small one, please. The shopkeeper will say, he'll pack again, again we have the same thing. He has packed the thing and he says, here you are. He did not ask for money. Haha, no problem. Okay, so he said, here you are. Fine. Now next exercise says, using where and what. Using where and what. Where we use for place, what we use for things. Mount Everest is in Nepal and Tibet. So what should we use here? We have to make a question using the question word. What and where are question words. So we'll say, where is Mount Everest? Where is Mount Everest? I'm painting a frog. Suppose somebody gives the answer, I'm painting a frog. What should be the question here? What? What are you painting? What are you painting? My friend is writing a letter. We have to start the question with what? What's your friend writing? What's your friend writing? My parents are in the garden. Place and garden is a place, so we'll use where. Where are your parents? Where are your parents? The currency of the USA is the dollar. The currency of the USA is the dollar. Dollar is a thing, so we'll use what? What's the currency of the USA? What's the currency of the USA? Next page. Use what or where in the blanks and complete the dialogue. How many of you have read Red Riding Hood ka story? It's a very interesting one. Those who have not read will read now. Net pe bhi available hai. You can get the books. Try to read. It's very interesting. Very sweet story for children. Especially for children. And it's a very old one. Wolf. There's a girl called Red Riding Hood, and she was going to her grandmother's house. Her mother has sent her to grandmother's house. She had to cross a forest part in the middle while going. So in the forest, she comes across a wolf. The wolf says, "What is your name?" He has to ask the name. So he'll say, "What's your name?" "My name is Red Riding Hood." Wolf says, "Where are you going?" Like whenever it is going, we have to go to some place. "Where are you going?" "I'm going to see my grandmother." See, she had a basket. "What is in your basket?" "What's in your basket?" She said, "Some buns and cakes for my grandmother." Mother had given some buns and cakes for grandmother. Where does she live?" "Where does she live?" "In a red cottage by the woods." By the woods means near wood. And woods means jungle. Woods means jungle. By the woods means near a jungle. She said she lives in a red cottage near the jungle. Next is, see, check your spellings. I've sent you the answers in the answer sheet, but you also try doing it with me. Okay, here. You have to, according to the half word given here, you have to use ICE or IC. Only ICE or IC. Pick, nick, NIC. Traff, IC. Okay, let me do. Picnic, traffic, music, police, ICE. TWICE. Twice. Off, office. SLICE. A slice of bread, a slice of mango. TOPIC. Topic. Topic, heading. Very nice. So these exercises are so fun to do, no? First you must try on your own, then check with my answer sheet. You will love doing them. Lion is to lioness as tiger is to, what is the relation between lion and lioness? Male, female. Tiger is to, if tiger is a male, we have to find the female of it. Tigress. Now children, see, something important. Take care of the spelling. Tigers, it becomes tigress. It should be tigress. Pronounce with me, tigress. Inside is to outside as interior is to inside and outside. Opposite side as interior. Interior means the inner part. Is to outer part. So the word is exterior. The word is exterior. Inside is to outside as interior is to exterior. Now next one, we have to find both the words. Dash is to ice as liquid is to, what forms ice? Water. Water liquid होता है. Ice is solid. Water is to ice as liquid is to solid. Are to flock as wolves are to pack. We say pack of wolves. Do we say pack of wolves? No? Yes. When we use collective nouns, we say pack of wolves. So, if we have pack collective, same way flock is also collective. Pack is use of wolves. For whom do we use flock? Sheep. Sheep are to flock as wolves are to pack. Lion is to dash. Lion is to dash as elephant is to trumpet. What is the relation between elephant and trumpet? Elephant trumpets the sound produced. Lion is to, what does lion do? Lion roars. The lion roars. Lamb is to bleat as dash is to neigh. As means equal to. Lamb bleats. When it makes the sound is bleating. And who neighs? Come on, hurry up, tell me. Who neighs? Horse. And horse neighs. As horse is to neigh. Remaining exercises we'll do in the next class. Okay children, I hope you are understanding nicely. Any doubt, ask me in the online class. Any doubt, please ask me. I don't like children sitting quietly and not understanding. I want children to understand and talk a lot, interact with the teacher. Talking a lot doesn't mean talk nonsense. Talk sense, talk with your teacher, remove all your doubts, okay? Bye.